In today's video, I'm going to teach you Slack Backup, how to export all Slack data in a CSV file. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to create a clean CSV export you can use for backups, reporting, or archiving. Quick note before we begin. Exporting data typically requires workspace admin or owner permissions. If you don't see the options I'm showing, check with your admin to make sure you have the right access. Start by opening Slack and heading to your home view. This is the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages in the left sidebar. Whether you're using the desktop app or a browser, the layout is similar, so the steps will look the same. Next, move your mouse to the left panel and hover over the settings icon. It's the small gear near your workspace name. When you hover, Slack reveals additional options connected to your workspace configuration. From there, click Workspace Settings. This takes you out of the chat interface and into your workspace administration page in a browser tab. Give it a second to load. This page is where broader settings live, including data tools. On the settings page, find and click Import/Export Data. This section houses the controls for bringing information into Slack and taking it out. We're focused on exporting, so we'll stay on this page. Now, click Export. You'll land on the Export Setup screen, where Slack lets you define what time period you want to include in your CSV. Choosing the right range helps keep your export manageable and relevant. Under the Export Date range, click the area labeled Choose One to open the dropdown. You'll see options that typically include recent activity and a custom range. If you're backing up for compliance or audits, a custom range can be helpful. If you just need a snapshot for a report, a shorter period is quicker to generate and download. Select the option that fits your needs. If you pick a custom range, enter your start and end dates carefully to avoid pulling more data than necessary. Narrower windows export faster and create smaller files, which are easier to share and store securely. When your date range looks right, click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing the CSV. This can take anywhere from a few moments to longer, depending on the size of your workspace and the dates you selected. Leave the page open while it processes. When it's ready, you'll see a download link on the export page. A couple of final tips. Always store exports in a secure location and follow your organization's data policies. Depending on your plan and permissions, some data types might be limited. And that's it. Your Slack data is now exported to a CSV and ready to use.